In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font in Microsoft Word using a shortcut key. Now, if you're someone who uses Word quite a bit for your daily tasks, learning this little trick can save you a lot of time and streamline your workflow. First, we'll start with something very basic. You'll need to open Microsoft Word on your computer. To do this, hit the Windows Start menu button located typically at the bottom left corner of your screen. It's the one with the Windows logo. Once you've clicked on that, there's going to be a search bar right there for you to use. All you need to do here is type Word into that search bar. The search function is pretty smart. It should locate Microsoft Word for you in no time. When you see Microsoft Word pop up as a suggestion, go ahead and click on it to open the application. Now let's jump into the specifics of changing the font with a shortcut key. Once you've got Word open, the interface you're greeted with should be quite familiar. What you want to do now is navigate to the Home tab if it's not already selected. This is where you'll find most of the tools you use routinely, including font size, style, color, and so on. Next up, let's take it a step further into the back end of things. Click on the Account option, usually found towards the left-hand bottom of the screen or under the File menu. While we won't focus much on the account specifics, it's good to know where it is for future reference, such as when needing to check your product key or subscription status. Moving on to the more technical part, we'll customize our ribbon. To do this, look for the Customize Ribbon option. Once in there, you're going to navigate your way to find the font setting. It might take a bit of clicking around if you're not familiar with the layout, but the Customize Ribbon area allows you to tweak and add commands to your liking, making your Word experience more fluid and suited to your needs. Now here's where the magic happens. Customizing your shortcut key for changing the font. After finding the font setting in the Customize Ribbon area, look for an option to customize and then add new shortcut key. This is where you can assign a new shortcut command for changing the font. Creating a shortcut key might seem a bit daunting if you've never done it before, but it's straightforward. When you click on Add New Shortcut Key, you'll be prompted to press the combination of keys you want to use for changing the font. Choose something easy for you to remember, but isn't already assigned to another important function in Word. After you've selected your shortcut key, make sure to save your changes. This will apply your new settings, and voila, you've just personalized your Microsoft Word experience. Now, whenever you're working on a document and need to change the font, you can do so with a quick stroke of your new shortcut key, saving you time and clicks. To wrap things up, personalizing your experience in Microsoft Word not only makes your work more efficient, but can also make it more enjoyable. By setting up a shortcut key for changing the font, you'll streamline your workflow and make your document creation process a bit smoother. Remember, the more you customize your experience to fit your needs, the easier your tasks will become. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to change the font in Microsoft Word using a shortcut key. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. With this new knowledge, you're well on your way to becoming a more proficient Microsoft Word user. Happy typing!